What is up, guys? My name is Quentin Gooden, and I hope you're having a great day today. It's been pretty rainy lately, but it's my favorite weather, so I can't really complain. Today is a very important day, you guys. This might be the last time you guys see me in this location, because guess what? I am finally moving to the area that I've always wanted to move to. I've been hitting at this for like 2 years, but I've been working on it for like 3. And it's finally happening. I've been wanting to move to this place for a long time. I've been working hard. Finally got the promotion at my job. Gotten a couple of raises since then. And now I'm able to move there without any worry. And today is the day that I get the keys. It is awesome. This place where I'm moving to is pretty much at the center of the car scene around here. Like, that's where all cars and coffee and Magic City Octane happens. The racetrack is like 15 minutes away. The mountain roads is about 10 minutes away. It's pretty much where most of the car people that are actually left are. You see a lot of classic cars and supercars in that area, and I've been wanting to move there ever since I found out about the place back when I was working at Chrysler back in 2019. It's a rich person's area. That's why I've never been able to move there. It costs a lot of money, but I've been working hard and I finally established myself a career, and now I am finally able to leave my crime-ridden, poverty-stricken hometown. This was a good neighborhood. I'm not even going to complain about it. It was a good neighborhood. I've had some good times here, a lot of good times, from back when I had my CB7 to when I had my Del Sol, if you guys probably remember that from the old channel, to when I finally got my Miata. The dream car, the car I've always wanted, which is going to get fixed in a couple of, probably before fall, because the shop that actually works on this car, well, the things I don't want to do myself because I'll be too busy at work to do, they're like 10 minutes away from that place too. So that'll be a lot easier too. To the Abarth, the Mustang, and now to this Civic. We had some good times here. We really have. It's gonna be crazy right here. I really like this place, but now I finally raised up enough money. I've been saving up for about a year now, almost a year. I kind of got set back when I had to trade the Abarth in for the Civic, because if I didn't have to do that, I probably would have moved already. But that setback wasn't that bad. At least I was able to get a promotion. I made a lot more money than what I did over a year ago. So yeah, we're finally doing it. I'll talk to you guys whenever we get to the place, and I cannot wait to show you. It's a really nice place. Well, guys, we are finally here. This is where I'm going to be living at for the next, well, really, I don't know. Maybe until I actually move out of Alabama. But this is it. I live in one of these units right here, and it's really nice over here. It's actually one of the best neighborhoods in Alabama, in all honesty. Right by one of the big shopping areas and all that, and I've been wanting to move here for a long time. I've actually been eyeing this place ever since I found out about it. And it's pretty much the cheapest place here. Only $1,000 a month. Ain't that crazy? Most of the places around here are like about $1,300 a month. But we're here. And my room is just down there. I got the upstairs floor, and I got full access to it. I'm going to start moving my stuff in there, and I'll tell you about how I got here. Alright guys, I kind of forgot, but I actually do want to show you guys this place. So, this is where I enter in from. This is the front door. Then we got all these steps to climb. So, we're going to climb up these steps. And this is what it's going to look like down here. I really like it. It's like a luxury entranceway. Then we climb up here. Just 2 little sets of stairs, not too big of a problem. And then we are in the living room. I got some plans for here. Get you a good look at it. And it's got some good bit of space. It's a little bit smaller than my last one, well, current one. And it got good view outside. You can see my car out there. I'm not going to park there normally. I'm actually going to park at these 2 spaces out here. But you got a good view of the nice neighborhood that I live in now. There's a church over there, but I'm not religious, so. Got all these closets. Big one. So, my plan is for this place is I'm going to have the racing seat right here. That'll be a good place for it. I'm going to have my PC over here because it's like the perfect fit in all honesty. Maybe see if I can try to tape up this cable so it'll be out of the way, but shouldn't be too much of a problem. I'm going to have my couch laying flat, pretty much parallel with this window. My 2 reclining chairs right here. And the TV's going to be right here too. That seems to be the best way to have this place. I'm going to have my internet right here, my Wi-Fi router. And I'm going to try to see if I can reroute it over here away from the main area. Probably see if I can find like a little tile or something to hold it. I already got internet set up here. I just got to install it. I got Spectrum again, which was a pain in the butt in my last place. But it's actually probably going to be a little bit more worth it here because, dang, I just realized these ceilings are high. I can barely reach them tiptoeing. Dang, that's going to be crazy. But I was originally going to go with AT&T, but I decided it would have been easier if I just get Spectrum and then call AT&T and cancel my service. Because it's like $50 a month over here for 300 megabits per second. Meanwhile, I'm paying $70 a month for 50 megabits per second where I live at. So, yeah, this would be a lot better. So this is what it's going to look like down here whenever I leave. You know, I really like this. This is probably my favorite part about this place. My shoes are down there because I don't plan on walking with shoes over here, in all honesty. I don't want to keep this carpet as clean as I can. And that's another thing I really, really like about this place is carpet. I miss having a carpet place. I know some younger people really like hardwood floors. I don't like hardwood floors, in all honesty. They're kind of a pain in the butt to clean. And I still got some hardwood floors, the kitchen and the laundry room. So I got the kitchen right here, and I got the bathroom right here, which also has hardwood floors. And I got my bedroom. So we're going to head to the bathroom first. Pretty much the nicest bathroom I've ever had, in all honesty. This is really nice. I really can't believe I managed to do this for real. One of the first things I'm going to do is install a bidet. That's been one of the things I need to do, because I don't really like using regular toilet paper. So that's what I'm going to do. That's pretty much the main thing I'm going to be doing today here. It's moving most of the stuff that I can with my Civic, and getting the internet and the bidet set up. And then the bedroom is a little bit smaller than what I got right now, but it is way nicer still. It's got carpet. It's got 2 closets. And it's got a whole bunch of good stuff here. 2 decent sized closets. Both of them pretty much about make the same size closet that I got in my current house. But they're still pretty spacious, in all honesty. So I'm planning on having my bed right here. Maybe have my dresser right here and the nightstand. I think I'll put my nightstand right there, since it's going to be right next to the outlet. I got a really, really large view outside, and I got a big view of the pool and the tennis court and the exercise area. Don't think I'm going to really use the exercise area here, because I go to Planet Fitness. Oh, it looks like they got like a dog park over there too. That's going to be useful if I ever do get a dog. Thinking about getting a dog or a cat within the next year. Well, probably next year. I want to get used to living here first. But yeah, that's the bedroom, and that's my plans for it. One of my favorite things about this place, you guys are going to find this weird, is central heating and air. Now, I know that's pretty much normal for everyone else, but I haven't had central heating and air since I moved into my current place. Well, yeah, my current place. I'll just keep on saying that. I haven't had central heating and air ever since I lived there. And just letting this down right quick. I haven't had central heating and air. I'm going to get done recording and do that. I haven't had central heating and air in like 5 years. My current place has this crappy unit that's like, it's the same unit that you would see in, it's the same unit that you would see in a hotel room. And they got that to cool the entire place, which is actually bigger than this one, actually. A little bit bigger than this place. To cool and heat that whole place just like that. And that sucks. It really does. Especially right now. Because whenever it gets up to like 85 degrees, the AC stops working now. So it gets hot in there now. And it sucks. But on to the kitchen. So this kitchen is really nice. It's kind of a mix, because this complex has renovated and non-renovated apartments. This is kind of like a mix of both. So I got the non-renovated countertops, but I got the renovated, like the modern appliances, stainless steel stove and refrigerator. And I also have brand new, also got a brand new washer and dryer too. So that's really awesome. I actually just found out too that I have a dishwasher. I literally just found that out whenever I got here. Don't know if I'm using it very often. Maybe, maybe not. But here's another thing I found out when I was here. I have a trash compactor. That's crazy. I never had something like that before. I got this little light. I really enjoy it too. But yeah, this is the kitchen. It's really nice. It's a little smaller than the one I got. No, No, I take that back. It's about the same size because my kitchen's kind of small now. But it's way better. It's got way better lighting. It's got a whole bunch of stuff. I'm probably going to save money on electrical stuff too. Because it seems like this place has been modernized compared to my current place. But this is the laundry room, of course. New laundry. And this is my back door. It's got one of these locks right here. It's kind of probably going to be a pain in the butt to get out. There we go. But, oh, I managed to lock it. I tried locking it last time I was here. And this is the view that I have. Yeah. This is what my back door, back patio is, and this is what it looks like. There we go. That's gonna be kind of a pain. But yeah. This is what this is what it looks like outside whenever I decide to come out here. Man, I really can't wait. They're going to have a pool party this Saturday. So hopefully I'll be moved in. If I'm not, I'll still head over there. But yeah, this is it. I got a really good view. I'm not even gonna lie. I wanted to get one of them apartments that's like in the front towards the main area. Well, towards the entrance, but I think I actually kind of like this a little bit more. I could be biased though. But I hope you guys enjoy this video because I kind of spent too long showing you guys this place. But if you guys want to see some more content from me, I'm hoping to be able to get some more stuff done to the Civic, and I am going to get that Miata fixed by the beginning of fall, by like beginning or middle of fall. As I said before, the place is like 10 minutes away. So yeah, we finally did it. We finally did it. I've been working so hard to get here. Growing up from the ghetto to the hood and going to a decent but not really perfect place until going to pretty much one of the nicest areas in Alabama. But hope you guys are having a good day, and I'll talk to you guys next time.